A few days ago, I saw this picture of Roger Federer floating around, and there was a picture from, I think, 2007, which was really his peak, playing period.
Yeah.
And, he was shirtless in that picture, and people were having a discussion about his body and how his physique looked. And quite frankly, his physique looked like a normal person's physique, and he wasn't muscled up, etc. And someone made a very appropriate comment that if you showed this physique to a social media influencer on fitness, he would tell you everything is wrong with Roger Federer, right? Because he's not beefed up, he's not had enough protein intake, whatever, I don't understand this category enough. But this is obviously someone who's won 80% of the matches he's played, consistently been a champion, he's Federer, etc. So I think what social media has done is compressed time horizons. It wants you to have a genius body after 3 days of going to the gym, not realizing that perhaps a sporting career is 20 years of playing and discipline, etc. So it's condensed the time horizons. I also think it's an ecosystem that rewards extremes. I joke, there's a colloquial saying in UP where I come from that India is a very dramatic country, and या तो हम लोग रेल में रहते हैं या हम लोग जेल में रहते हैं. And I think social media is an exaggerated version of that. So in the best of days, the commentary will be dump all your FDs and buy crypto. Worst of days, the commentary will be negative 2-year SIP returns are not beating it, FD. And I think investing is really about sitting in the middle. I also think that in general on social media, we tend to glamorize a lot of outcomes. Someone's doubled money in 3 years, etc. But we don't have the context behind that. We don't know if that outcome has come because of leverage. We don't know if that outcome has come because of inherited wealth. You don't see the failures. You don't see the drama behind that outcome. And I genuinely believe India is an extremely dramatic country. Rashesh once perhaps told me the best India investing analogy, which is that investing in India is like walking on a road, and at the end of the road, if you have a 25-year horizon, there is a pot of gold. There is a 100 crore portfolio, there is a pot of gold. But like every road in Mumbai, the short term and the road is always under construction, and it is full of potholes. And every quarter, there is some kind of crisis. So social media tends to exaggerate crisis, and it makes it harder to take the long road.